Sorry for the video like this, but I went to the door because I needed to go to the garage to get something for lunch, and guess what arrived? My Greenstalk is here. I'm so excited. Let's bring it in. I am so excited. My Greenstalk is here. I know what you're thinking. Like, I need more, but I don't have it in this color. Come on now. Can't blame me, can you? So let's open this, shall we? I ordered the blue one. Glacier blue. Oh, look at how pretty. That is beautiful. Oh, I think this is my new favorite color. Definitely. I did order the spinner because look, the hose is right here. The drain hose, which I do use a lot in the house. This is what I wanted it for, so I could spin my Greenstalk and it's not going to go anywhere. Oh, it's in a reusable bag. Nice. Oh, okay, right there. This one. So, just like the other spinner, it does come with 3 locking wheels and 3 regular wheels that do not lock. So I'm doing every other one a locking one. Lock, don't lock, lock, don't lock, you know. This one is definitely going in the house. Just the spinner itself. Is that? Oh, yes. Perfect. So it was packed by Dustin. Thank you, Dustin. Just open me. This is new. Greenstalk setup instructions. This is pretty cool. Last time it came in like a clear plastic bag. What does it come with? Vertical planter instructions for the original. Ooh. So the original, and it tells you the leaf, and it tells you. Oh, it has more photos. Not like this. How they lock. Connect the gray. Start planting. Water your plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How the watering system works. And caring for your plants. That's cool. Actually, this is pretty nice. It used to have like the little sticker looking stuff on it. What else did I get? The thank you card. Join the community. And my favorite part. Oh wow, that's cool. I have this plant down there. I love this sticker. Stickers are my best part. You get more. Oh, it's a bluebird. Absolutely radishing. How cute is that? Oh, these stickers are amazing. Okay, this is new. This is new. I would usually get 1 packet of seeds. So I got the lettuce, the radish, bell pepper, and carrots. So I like these because I will use all of these. So their seed packing is pretty cool. And they also tell you the planting instructions on the back. So that's amazing. I like that. 3 watering discs because I did order the 5-tier. I don't waste this. I do put it in the bottom of the new Greenstalks for compost because it's all paper. Why not, right? Oh, I love this color. Look at this color. Why are you being difficult? Get in there. I love this color. Oh man, just look at that. Look at that. Compared. Oh, love it. So exciting. So what I am going to do is put this inside the house.